Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. In this video, we are going to be learning how to change your password on eToro.com. If you are looking for a way to update your password on eToro, then the process is quite easy, so let's jump in. First things first, launch open any web browser on your computer or your laptop, or you can also open up a web browser on your mobile device. In the URL box, type in eToro.com and search. Make sure that you're also logged into your eToro.com account by entering your account's credentials. Once you are logged into the homepage of eToro, go ahead and scroll down from the left-hand menu and click Settings. Once you're inside the Settings menu, click on Account. Under the Account tab, scroll down and click Change right next to Password. Now, on the next page, enter your current password in the first field. Now enter the new password in the next one that you want to change to. After typing down a strong password, head over to the next field and re-enter the new password once again. Once the password matches, click on Submit, and you have updated or changed your eToro.com account's password. Next time, while logging in or whenever prompted, you need to enter the newly updated password. So that's it. That's how you easily do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned. Till then.